Did you know over 80% of US households now stream content? If your local business isn't on platforms like Hulu and Peacock, you're missing a massive opportunity. Imagine your shop, restaurant, or service business showcased directly in the living rooms of your ideal customers. This isn't a futuristic dream, it's the measurable reality of Microsoft Ads connected TV advertising. Set the promise, your local business, on the big screen. I'll show you how Microsoft cTV is a game changer, helping you reach your specific audience cost effectively with measurable results. We'll cover why it matters, how to make the budget work, create compelling videos, and even give you a 7-day quick start plan you can launch this week. Why cTV is worth using. Engage viewers, build local trust. Search captures existing demand, but cTV helps you create and warm demand earlier. Traditional TV was expensive and untargeted, but cTV delivers your visually rich story to engage viewers who are actively choosing content. Think about it. Your local bakery, gym, or auto shop showcased directly to neighbors, influencing their decisions and driving them through your doors. Is premium video advertising now accessible to every local enterprise, regardless of size? Protect your budget first. Advertise smarter, not harder. Forget massive production costs. Microsoft Ads cTV offers incredibly flexible budgets. Run cTV in its own campaign with its own budget. You can start small, test what works best for your local market, and scale up as you see results. This allows for real-time control over your spend, ensuring your advertising budget is spent on reaching the people most likely to become your customers. This precision drastically reduces wasted ad spend and maximizes your return on ad spend. Creative that earns attention. Your storefront on the big screen. Your video ad is your local business's storefront on the big screen. It doesn't need to be a Hollywood production. Authenticity and a clear message are key. Highlight what makes your local business unique. Show your products, your team, your welcoming atmosphere, or the problem you solve. Keep it concise, typically between 15 to 30 seconds. Crucially, a strong clear to action. Visit us today at your address, or call now to get a free quote. Remember, local viewers connect with local faces and stories. Driving action from screen to store. After watching your ad, what's the next step? Your cTV ad should lead viewers directly to action, whether it's driving website visits to explore your services, encouraging phone calls for inquiries, or most importantly, boosting real-world foot traffic to your physical location. Microsoft cTV helps bridge that gap, making sure your compelling video ad translates into tangible local customer engagement and sales. Your headline one on your website should mirror the ad promise. Put your primary call to action clearly visible and add a small reassurance like takes 2 minutes or no credit card needed. How to measure without fooling yourself. Track your local success. No more guessing. cTV advertising provides robust measurement tools. You can track impressions, video completion rates, website visits, and even in-store foot traffic linked to your campaigns. This means you can see exactly how your ads are performing, allowing you to optimize your strategy, understand your customer journey, and prove the direct impact of your advertising dollars on your local business's bottom line. Keep a simple change log so you know what moved the needle. To wrap it up, empowering your local business. Separate budgets. Warm audiences first, clear creative, action-focused messaging, and smart measurement. Do that, and Microsoft Ads cTV becomes a powerful engine that warms demand and delivers tangible results for your local business. The future of advertising is here.